I just wandered on to the Miele booth. I was wandering here and there's an ASCO. Alright, now we got Miele washer and dryers and Miele floor care. Let's see what's available. We got a C1, and it looks like we have an old RX1 down there. And they got the bagless lineup. You can see there's no power brush. And then we have this. You can see they have a place for a power brush here. You can see the Brilliant has the on-off switches right there. All the business inside, all that stuff is nice and good, normal. Well, let's see if they get mad. Let's see how much of vacuuming I can do before the rep kicks me out here. That's right, I've got ourselves a Brilliant, and since we're in China and they don't have the restrictions that they do in the EU, this is 850 watts of power. This thing, when it first turned on, there's the shut-off switch there. When this thing first turned on, it was amazed. I was like, why is it so loud? And then I realized it's moving a lot more air. So what's different than the US one, and you guys in the UK are going to probably brush over this, but we have the lighted handle here. There's no electric. This is all you're going to get is an extra size parquet tool, your nice switchable floor tool that Miele's been making forever. You're going to get your upholstery, dusting brush, crevice tool we're all familiar with. Under the hood, we're going to get the same bag we're all familiar with. GN bag, that's nothing special. And the HEPA filter. Now what is different than the US Brilliant is this is more like the Elise in that it's got the suspension in the wheels and the nitrogen-filled wheels on this model. So that's a little bit different. And I'm just going to zoom in for y'all. I don't know if you can see that, but this definitely does have the 850 watt motor in it. And it's made in Germany. It's even still made in Germany, even though we're in China. Quite a machine. Quite a machine. Well, that was really cool to take a look at a machine we have in the US that we wouldn't normally see overseas. Let's just vacuum with it a little bit. This is actually stuck to the floor. Well, thanks for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button.